In today's video, we'll learn how to add picture and video in Filmora, add images to your videos, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open the Filmora app onto your device. Right after, just head over here under media, and then you should be able to go ahead and import the media that you want to use. So you need to add in a video already, which I have a sample video in here from Filmora, and we're gonna go ahead and add in the photo that we're gonna add onto this video. So simply click onto the import media in here, and then it should go ahead and open the folders app onto your device. So just go ahead and browse onto the folder wherein your file is located. So for example, I have this photo in here, and let's click onto open to add that one here under import. And right after, you should be able to see the photo in here once it is added. Now to add that onto the video, let's go ahead and add this video first here onto the timeline. So you could simply drag and drop in here or click onto the plus icon in here to proceed. So let's click onto that, and as you can see, it has been added already here onto our timeline. Now let's move this one here, and if we want to add the photo already, we're gonna do the same thing of clicking the plus icon in here or simply drag and drop it here onto the timeline. So since we want to add this one onto the video, we're gonna add this onto the upper part. So let's simply hold that one in, and then we're gonna drag and drop it here onto the upper part of the video. So it should go ahead and look something like this. So as of the moment, it is still covering the video. But what we could do, you'll just have to simply click onto the photo in here, and we could go ahead and drag it here using the preview icon in here so that we could position this onto where we want to see this onto the video. Now we want to make this one smaller over here, and we could add it over here onto this part, onto the bottom left. So we could position it just like that, and if we toggle here onto the upper part, hold and drag this in here to rotate the photo. So we're gonna go ahead and position it just like that, and if we do a quick preview, this is how it looks like. And that is how easy you could add picture and video in Filmora. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.